Hello, hello. My name is Lee, and I am the one who will be seeing you today and doing your physical exam. I saw in your chart for the hospital that you were coming in because you've been having like some tingling or swelling sensation in the face. Something just doesn't seem right. Is it like your entire face or... And is it like a numbness or no? It's more like a prickly, tingly. And is it just on one side of your face or? Okay, all right. Are you noticing any rashes, any skin changes? You just feel like your face and your scalp are more sensitive. Okay. Any runny nose, watery eyes, ringing in the ears, feeling dizzy. Okay. Any visual changes at all? Any pressure behind the eye? Okay. Okay. Any tooth pain, bleeding gums, anything? Do you feel like you have swollen lymph nodes that you've noticed? Any headaches at all, whether it's one-sided or both? Just kind of comes and goes, so it's not even all the time. Well, any recent trauma to the area at all? Did you fall, hit your head on something? Okay. Any hair loss? Any other joint pain, swelling, tingling anywhere else in your body? Okay, well, just so I can confirm with the computer by you, can you please confirm your first and last name? Okay, thank you. Yep, I will be sure to do a very thorough assessment of the face and head there for you, and then we'll just do a little bit of tests here and there. Let's see. Let me figure out what test I want to do for you today. Vitals are looking fine. Let's see. Oh, and by the way, just to confirm in your chart, any allergies? Okay, any tobacco, alcohol, drug use? No to all of them? Alright. When was the last time you've seen a primary care? Okay. Alright. Let's see. So let's kind of go down the list here together, shall we? Alright. So this is a list of things that I have to collect on you during this, but I am just going to sanitize my hands, put some gloves on, and we will get started. You're okay with me examining you, right? Good. All right. Yeah, no, your blood pressures are looking good here. I would say so. Right, well, I am just going to start with a quick assessment of your head area here, okay? I'm just going to take this little thing here too. You let me know if you feel anything poking or any tingling when I poke certain spots, okay? See there? Okay. Just, okay. Yeah, no, I get it. Okay. Just kind of looking at your hair. Okay, let me put this this away for right now. I feel like we're going to use that a lot today. Just going to press on your scalp here. Any pain? Nothing? Okay, that's okay. Okay, well, I'm not seeing anything super obvious. Let me know if you feel this on your scalp. You do? Okay, what about this side? Still do? Okay, no problem. Visually, everything looks okay. I am just going to want to take some measurements, if that's all right with you. Okay, just going to put this around here. Okay. Okay. Yeah, both sides seem pretty equal. I'm not noticing more swelling on one side versus the other, so that's good. Okay, well, let me just put that into the system here. Scalp exam. Nothing super concerning there, aside from the tingling that you were feeling when I was poking you with that little thing. Okay, let me see. Let's move on to your eyes here, okay? I'm going to cover one eye. Can you read that for me? Well, I guess not so much reading as can you just say if the letter E is up, down, left, or right? Does that make sense? Cool. Here, let me find one with actual letters. That's better. Okay, can you tell me? Okay. And what's the lowest one that you could read with this eye? Okay. Nope, not too shabby. Do you wear glasses or contacts? Okay. All right. And just around your eyes here, can you close your eyes? Feel that? Okay. What about that? There? So not so much around the eye area. You can close your eyes. I'm going to try to open them. Don't let me open them. Okay, good. You have good strength at least, so that's great. Okay. I'm going to just use this on parts of your forehead. A little bit. You're feeling that same thing? Okay. Okay. Let me just make measurements for where you were saying that. Yeah, it's definitely tricky. Alright, close your eyes. Do you feel this sensation on your forehead area? Good. Do you feel them equally on both sides? Okay. You know what I will need then? I am going to just take a quick look in the back of your mouth and quick swab to rule out anything viral. Can you say ah? Good job. I have to collect one more swab here, okay? Can you say ah? Okay, thank you. We could throw that away. I'm gonna send those off just to be sure that there's no like viral infection that's spreading, right? I'm trying to think of it all for you. Okay, next I'm just gonna ask you to breathe into this. Okay, what you're gonna do, can you take a deep breath in? Okay, deep breath out. Okay, let's try again. Deep breath in, deep breath out. Okay. Sorry, I moved your gown there. Okay. Next up, we have to listen to your heart and lungs. That's okay. All right. I am just going to untie your gown, if that's all right. Just make it a little easier. Okay. All right, just breathe normally for now. Just going to listen to the different valves to make sure I don't hear murmurs. Let's try up here by your neck. Keep breathing normally. You're doing great. Okay, can you take a deep breath in, out, deep breath in, out, deep breath in, out, deep breath in, out. Okay, very good. I'm not hearing anything abnormal there. Let's assess your hearing, okay? Close your eyes. You let me know when you hear a ringing sound and on what ear. Good. 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 And do you hear that all equally on both sides? Okay. Just making sure. Perfect. All right. Last bit here is we're going to assess some reflexes, okay? Just gonna, don't mind me. Get you. And do your legs here, okay? Okay. Let me tie this back up for you and give you some privacy. But yeah, it's definitely a tricky one, considering it's more of like a numbness and tingling, but there's no actual visible abnormality or concern with like the heart and lungs. I think what we're going to do is consult neurology. Yep, so I'll have them come by and see you, okay? Let me take this off, put some sanitizer, but yeah, you know, a lot of it seems neurological. Now, a lot of your neurological assessments right now were within normal limits, but I just can't figure out what's wrong with you. So I am going to send a message right now to the neurology department, and they will come see you and do more thorough assessments, okay? Yeah. But we will get it taken care of for you. Do you have any questions? Yeah, just not a lot of answers, huh? That's how it is sometimes, I feel like. Okay, Well, you are all good for now. Is there anything I can get you while you wait? You're okay? Okay. Yep. So, neurology hopefully will be responding to the referral soon, and then they should be in to see you next. All right. Well, I'm sorry I couldn't be super helpful, but I'll see you later.